Hey everybody, Bobby Deen here on Love and Best Dishes. I'm filling in for my mom Paula today, and I'm doing some recipes that are really simple and delicious and that mom would definitely be proud of. These are some of her favorite things. And the one we're gonna do right now is black pepper bacon. Oh boy, is this good. We're gonna start out with some thick cut bacon, and I've got it sort of displayed here on a rack for you to see. Really simple, brown sugar and fresh black pepper, okay? The amount that I've got here is for a full pound of bacon, but there are only a few of us here. I'm just gonna make 3 pieces. So I'm only gonna use some of this, all right, not all of it. So I'm gonna take maybe a third of our sugar and about half of our black pepper here and just sort of mix it together. Now, if you're familiar with our restaurants, the Paula Deen Family Kitchens, we've got some really great restaurants in Tennessee and Myrtle Beach and in Alabama, and we're really growing and expanding, and I'm proud of them. These restaurants are really, really good. They've got great traditional Southern dishes in there, and we do a version of the black pepper bacon in our Paula Deen's Family Kitchens, but they go even a little bit further with theirs and make it a little more delectable by adding maple syrup, and oh boy, are they so good. They do them on little clothespin racks in the family kitchens, and golly buddy, is black pepper bacon with maple syrup so good. So I've got our sugar and our pepper combined. I'm just gonna put it out here on a shallow baking dish and just dredge our bacon in it. Just sort of make sure I get a little bit all over it. Nothing like brown sugar and bacon. Isn't that right, Teresa? Who don't like it? I don't want to be your friend if you don't.
This is literally one of my favorite things they do at restaurants.
It's so good. Yeah, if you haven't visited our family kitchens, the flagship one is in Tennessee, and it is just a wonderful restaurant. I'm so proud of it, and people come from far and wide to visit up there in Pigeon Forge. It's up there at on the island in Pigeon Forge, not too far from Dollywood and Ober-Gatlinburg. It's just a beautiful area of the country. If you've never been there, what a great vacation spot, you know? Super family friendly, so it's a great place to bring your kids. It's a great place to eat. It's just a beautiful area of the country. Great Smoky Mountains. It's nice in the summer, spring, winter, or fall. All right, look at that.
I love the Nashville one too.
Yeah, and Nashville, I mean, we're everywhere. Well, we're not everywhere, but we're growing, that's for sure. We're in Nashville, Myrtle Beach, Foley, Alabama, Panama City Beach, Florida, Branson, Missouri, and they are all very well received restaurants. All right, so our thick cut bacon is now covered in our brown sugar pepper mixture, and I'm just going to drape it over this rack. And real simple, I'm just going to take this rack and pop it into the air fryer. Oh boy. And things cook pretty quick in an air fryer. You know, my mom's got her own brand of air fryer out there, and I use mine at my house all the time. They're so convenient and easy to clean, and they cook fast, and I love them. So we're going to use this one right here. I'm going to use the part of my hand that doesn't have bacon on it. And I'm just going to remove this rack from the tray and pop it right into, thank you, Teresa, our air fryer. Sits right down on that little staging area. Thanks, Teresa, I appreciate that.
You're welcome. I know your hands are.
Yep.
I'm going to do it on bake. And we're going to start.
Let's go 375 maybe.
want to go up?
350, 370. Let's try it 350 for a few minutes, and maybe we'll turn it up to 375 right for the last couple of minutes.
And I'll
All
have
right.
it for 10?
Yeah, 10 minutes. So we'll come back and check it in 10 minutes. I'm going to wash my hands. All right. The bacon looks phenomenal. All right. So we did this in the air fryer. We put this bacon on a rack in the air fryer at 350 for 10 minutes, checked it, and it looked really, really nice. And then we turned the heat way up to 400 degrees and we let it go for about 3 more minutes. So 13 minutes total on this bacon. The recipe is thick cut bacon, brown sugar, and fresh black cracked pepper. And it looks so good. And it came out just like it should. It came out caramelized. So you see that it's a little stiff and, you know, it's caramelized. So let's taste it. I don't eat a lot of bacon. So let's see. Ooh. I should eat more bacon. Oh my God. Okay. So that's wonderful. If you like bacon, make this cracked black pepper bacon from my mom's recipes. It is so, so good. It'll be a great side for your next breakfast.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.